Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Maybe you have a complicated Simpin or just have so many different pins that you can't remember, or you just like it to be another pin. Maybe the pin even got in the wrong hands and you see a safety issue there. You can go ahead and change your Simpin. For that, you want to go to your settings and go to security and privacy, and then scroll down to other security settings, and then go to set up SIM card lock. So the locked SIM card should always be on, so require your SIM card pin to unlock and use your SIM card so that no one can just steal your SIM card. They need the pin to use it. And then you can click on change SIM card pin, enter your current SIM card pin, 3 attempts left. So I'm gonna go ahead and now enter a new Simpin. Alright, and then confirm that one, and Simpin changed successfully. First of all, you want to be a bit more creative than I am right now. 1 2 3 4 4 times 0 are probably not the most secure ones. I think people are gonna try this first if they want to get to your stuff, but you have so many options with the 4 numbers, so go ahead and be creative here. So now if you restart your phone and your SIM card is in your phone, you need to enter your new SIM pin. And if you ever want to change your SIM pin again, you can just go ahead and go back to your settings and go here and change your SIM pin again, and then just the same procedure as we just had it. So that's how you can change your Simpin on your Galaxy S23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.